Animals can't speak, but you can read their love in their actions, such as how they let you hold them. No one could say cats are cold anymore after watching this moment. This big, good boy only wants one reward: cuddling time with mom. Wild animals may not express their feelings gently like your pets. If there's someone who's always willing to wait for you, it's your pet. A few steps to mom's arms feels like the longest road. Baby elephant won't let grandpa sit alone by himself for too long. This is the reason why he always rushed home after work. Even when eating, this moose has to feel the presence of his loved ones.
Well, we had a 6-point that came in yesterday morning. Marched right in here about this time of the day.
When they trust you, animals will give you unconditional love. This penguin swims 5,000 miles every year to reunite with his savior. Goodnight kiss is a must before seeing each other in the dreams. Even when they look cold and distant, every creature wants affection. Dogs are the biggest huggers. All of your worries will disappear once you hold them. The perfect day in life is sometimes this simple: lying under the sun with your beloved pet. Don't let their big horns fool you that they aren't warm-hearted. With enough care, even the queen of the wild will become such a kitty. These good boys have to make sure that you can feel their love.
There she is. Oh, wait, giving me hugs. Kisses and hugs. Oh, you're scratching me, baby. You're scratching my back.
One kiss for another. We deserve to be appreciated. Love at first sight can happen between a human and an animal as well. Human has become koala's favorite treat. Now they won't let go. The love language of the marine citizen is following you everywhere you go.
Hey!
Real best friends have their own greeting ritual.
What's up, hey, brother? How you doing, man? Good, yourself?
Although this couch is for one, Puppy can always squeeze himself next to Dad.
What are you doing? No?
Cattle will become 10 times more cuddly when they detect you're going out.
Oh, oh. I love you too. Yeah, I know.
Even if there's dirt on her clothes, it's impossible to be mad because the culprit's too adorable. Animal is the friend that will always listen to you without ever judging. Ever since her, Dolphin now loves the land even more than the water. Who can imagine that this good girl's actually a fox? If they can relax completely like this beside him, it means they trust and love him. Even a sheep wants to be pampered and touched with so much love. The biggest reward after a hard day at work is hugging your cotton ball. No matter what they're doing, one thing can be changed is it has to be ended with a hug. The mammal worked hard just to earn that head pat from human.
Oh, what a simple boy. He is so awesome.
Even such a big, glamorous creature needs to be reminded that it's loved. There will be an instant bond between harmonized souls even they've just met. How long did it take him to earn trust from this small squirrel? As big as he is, we can still see a little puppy can't live without mom. Soulmates don't need words to express love. It comes from gestures. Lucky for this cuddly creature is that they're adorable and no one can reject their hugs. Remember to hug your pet today. See you next time.
What are you doing? Hi. Oh, I'm ready. Little boy. You're very stinky today.